Hi everyone, let's talk about how to fix Airbnb listing deactivated. So to fix a deactivated Airbnb listing, first you have to identify the deactivation reason. Check your email for deactivation notices and look for a listing issued section under your Insights tab. Some common reasons include violations of Crown rules, listing duplicates, and negative reviews or claims. Now, the first thing to fix your Airbnb listing, what you can do is file an appeal. If the listing was suspended or removed due to a policy violation, you can appeal the decision. Just head to your BNB app, then tap on menu at the bottom right corner, then scroll down to get help, and then tap and visit the help center to contact support or use the link provided in your deactivation email to start the appeal process. Now, the next thing what you can do is gather your documentation to support your case, such as specific reservation codes, the name of the listing, and detailed reasons explaining why the penalty was unjust. Now, if the standard customer service team is unhelpful, remain persistent and polite or try calling at different hours to reach a different support team. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.